Let's go ahead and then find the value of x in this equation where x is a real number. But note that x is never equal to 0 because of this x to the power x. So from here, we're going to let y equal to x to the power 2010. So to find the value of x from this equation, we're going to have x is equal to y to the power 1 over 2010. So the left-hand side of the equation now becomes y to the power 1 over 2010 or to the power y, and this is equal to 2010. Now let's go ahead and then apply the power rule, which is a to the power m to or to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. And we can also write this as a to the power n or to the power m, right? So we're going to have y to the power y or to the power 1 over 2010 is equal to 2010. Now, let's go ahead and then raise each side of this equation to the power 2010 so that the powers will cancel out, right? You can see that this and this one will go. Now, on the left-hand side, we have y to the power y. Then on the right, we have 2010 to the power 2010. If this happens, then straight away we can say that y is equal to 2010. But remember that we let y equal to x to the power 2010. So this implies that x to the power 2010 is equal to 2010, right? We are looking for x, so let's raise each side of the equation to the power 1 over 2010 so that the powers will cancel out, right? And on the right-hand side, because 2010 is an even number, it is important to bring plus or minus. So we have x is equal to plus or minus 2010 to the power 1 over 2010, right? But we can rewrite this. If we have b root of a, this is the same as a to the power 1 over b. So this implies that we can also write x as x is equal to plus or minus 2010 root of 2010. So this is the final answer. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.